plant
Thank
haul.
you for shopping at the Home Depot.
The bitch is so loud. Oh, that looks so pretty. Stop moving it.
You know this one doesn't like to be moved a lot, babe.
Well, you're moving it. Cute. That's a little expensive. We're at World Market. She's so cute. What are you looking at? That's cute. Oh, look at the little, to put like your keys.
This is cute.
We're gonna get one of these.
Where is that?
I don't know. We're at Ikea.
And action.
You're so annoying. How many did you put?
2?
He's too tall to be in frame.
I make it 2 and 2. Oh, look, this one. This is what I've been wanting.
Smile.
Look, this is kind of cool to put a plant in here too. TBH.
Oh, it is. Or candles. We filled this up.
Oh shit.
Just hold it, I guess. Why don't you just put it horizontally through there? Struggling. We're gonna put the plants from Home Depot. I was looking at them and I really like this, but I wish it was actually white because this is like a grayish white.
They're smooth white ones.
No, I don't like how it's like. See how it's like skinny and then fat? I guess I'll do this one.
Karina?
Plant stand. What are these? Crates?
Those are crates. Those are the pots for the plants.
What do they call?
Huh? Terracotta pots.
Terracotta pots. Bigger ones and smaller ones. I'm not even helping you. I'm just doing the mini haul right now.
do you think it's too much that I'm gonna get those little plant stands?
No, it's never too much plants. We can put the plant things next to the couch and then these on the garage door.
So where we sit.
Oh wait, I'm trying to show what we're getting, girl. This is not for us, but it's still cute. A cool light bulb. A planter. We can still show your stuff. I don't really know what these are for.
It's for the pots, I think.
That's kind of cute. I like them round more.
No?
Candles.
You want to put up anything?
And then another cute planter. This one's only $4. I wonder how much the white one is, because that one's...
I want to put like a lot of like, should I put a lot of the random pots inside the crates?
And then a colcha. Because we're Mexican here.
Yeah, should I put a bunch of like, can I see the picture of the like the...
Let me see, hand model. Hand and face model. How freaking cute are these? They're real too, huh? Guess where we came back to?
Like this one.
Target. You said it the same way. Look, we were almost gonna buy this. But then he was like, where are you gonna put it?
Look.
Baskets are my weakness. Oh, oh.
Hey, look, 15% off.
Where would you put that?
15% off. Do you have that?
On the floor. On the floor next to the crates.
I'm gonna get this. We should have got a card.
Get it,
Oh,
get
there's
it.
a card right there.
Here. Okay, get it, babe.
I'm gonna get this.
Look, and it's the same wood almost. No, that one's
Do you
darker.
have the app?
Sorry.
Could you get
Yes, I
15%?
do have the app.
I've wanted this forever, but I never got it.
I love this, but I don't know where we would put it. Sadness. This mirror. Because I'm going to need one to do my makeup. We can put that on the, where the, you know, where we have the drawers?
You're gonna sit there and do your makeup though?
Stand up and do my makeup there. Here.
Look.
Look, look.
I want this.
I like everything here.
I want this.
She pretty.
I want this. Look.
I know, it looks nice.
How much are these? 12? How much will you ever pay?
The can. It's like 70 something.
I want 2 of these.
I think this one was the one that we had found those other frames. Oh no. Look, a mirror for you.
Target thing?
Why do you keep saying Starbucks? What did you say? Starbucks. No.
Starbucks. These are
Starbucks. Oh, look, this is what I wanted last time.
Oh, I like that. That's cool.
We can put, hey babe, in the crates, we can like put,
Stuff like that.
it doesn't, over here.
Do you think I should get gold because all like the little things I got are like gold?
Whenever you're mad at me and you put me on timeout,
Because what are you gonna do? What else are you gonna put?
I wish I had an office so I could buy all this cute decor. These would be super cute if I had bugs.
You're gonna put the, you can't go wrong with it.
You guys. I just like the little tiny pot. How cute are these vibes? Can't wait to start decorating. Cute.
Behind that, open it behind that.
Oh, right there. You can see it right there.
Alright, let's go. Shitload of money.
Target/Ikea/World Market Haul. First thing. Oh, it was, huh? This one's from Target. We just gotta straighten her hair because she got bit hit. I think they're cute, but we can only switch them out. Next thing, this one was from World Market. It's like little test tubes.
My sister forced me to buy it.
Yeah. My cuñada forced me to buy this. If I take off the cardboard, it's like bending. Like you can kind of see how it moves. So you can shape it to how you want. Oh, you still trying to open that? Okay, I'll keep going. We got this cute little, how do you say it, rociador in English?
Mister.
Mister for the plants. And two, whenever Max is being bad. Don't you do that to dogs? And then this is how much patience I have.
When you're on timeout.
Oh, when I'm on timeout. That's a lot of patience. Actually, I don't have this much patience. This one was from Target. Oh, this one too was from Target. I asked what it's called and it says right there.
What is it?
What, Mr. like MR? Yeah. And then these are for the bottom of the plants. So,
We have a planter that I'm gonna build
yes.
right here.
I recorded it
3-tier planter.
because you were so excited. Which one was that? It's the one that's like 3. Come on, if you're gonna be talking. And then we got, what the fuck is this? What is this called?
So,
Don't steal my thunder. Another hanging plant.
second knock inside the head.
What is this called?
That's called.
I don't know.
What do you water the plants with?
A freaking plant waterer?
No. Honestly, I don't know what it's called.
We don't know what it's called, but you know what it's for.
So what are the plants? It's I feel people will know if they see this.
If you know, comment down below. This mirror, which I'm holding backwards, you're gonna be able to see our ghetto ass setup. But it's cute. You can see this just to be or in front of us. Because this is the reflection. Keep going.
Got little crates that we're gonna build.
Oh, first before we show that, we got this thing from Ikea. No, from Target. This is gonna go like in the corner, and then we're gonna put the crates around in front of it, and we're gonna put plants on the crates. It's like a little jungle area. I forgot to say the mirrors from Target, and the crates are from Ikea. Also, you forgot to say this one was also from Target. The plant, we got it yesterday, right? Home Depot, and the plant stand from Target. Is that it?
Yeah, that's true.
Oh. We got
Terracotta pots.
terracotta pots. Terracotta. And then this boss. I want to put, what is it? What is that plant called?
Eucalyptus.
No, the pampas grass. And then, look how beautiful that is. This was a lot of money, but it's fine. But yeah, that's it. And then that's Christina in the back.